Hello, happy hour crafters. I thought today we would make a very simple, easy, maybe holiday thank you note, more for the fall. So we're going to be using Country Home stamp set. Now this is from the annual catalog, and I just love the fonts here. Very pretty. We're going to be using Simply Thankful for all the good things. And we're also going to be using the stitch framelits. We're just going to use one of the oval ones. We'll set that aside. And these are the colors I'm using. This is soft suede. I'm using the pumpkin pie and very, very vanilla. So we're going to set the bases aside and we're going to do a little bit of stamping. So again, soft suede. Beautiful fall bouquet that's from that stamp set. And I'm going to stamp it pretty high. And then I'm going to turn the card around and I'm going to do it again below here. All right. And then we are going to color these in. And while I still have the ink out, I'll go ahead and do some stamping with the phrase, Simply Thankful for all the good things. And I'm going to center it. That way I've got room to cut it out with the Big Shot and using the oval stitched framelit. I'm going to go ahead and just that, and I will just take it to the Big Shot and cut that out. We are done with the ink. And now I have light Old Olive, light Pumpkin Pie, I have light Daffodil Delight, and light Crumb Cake. I went light. I didn't want to go too bright with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is color in this beautiful. They were cattails, they were pussy willows, a lot of names growing up. I honestly don't know the real name for them. There we go. I'm just doing simple coloring, not too much. I'm coloring in this flower. Now honestly, to me it looks like an artichoke, but if I color it green and I color all the leaves green, it ends up being just a little too much for me. I'm going to do it. It's a little odd coloring upside down here. I could turn the paper around. I probably will when I start doing the leaves. I'm going to take and just dot these oranges. There we go. And then the yellow, I am just with a light hand just kind of just tapping each one of these leaves. I'm just giving it a little bit of color. Alright. And then some of these leaves, I just a little bit of the base, and then I'm going to go in with the green. Yep, I'm going to flip this around. Very peaceful sometimes coloring. kind of see how this kind of just all blends in. And we'll take the old olive. This around. Love this old olive color. So pretty. Alright, I'm going to go in with the yellow just one more time. Just kind of blend the colors in, give them look kind of a fall leaf look. I like that. Okay, now we have the cutout, and we're actually going to place it right here. But I think first we are going to use a little bit of burlap ribbon, and we're just going to put it around. So I'm going to cut a piece, and then I just set it like this. I'm going to wrap it around. And then I am just going to use a piece of Scotch tape to tape it down. Oops. Scotch tape will just allow it just to kind of lay flat and stay together. Get it there. And then I'm going to use a second one. Just catch this side here. Oops. And that way we can also slide it up a little bit. Get it right where we want it. There we go. Alright, before we put this on, let's put the base together. I am just going to use the snail. There we go. Do the same with this one. Go. And then I am going to use a couple dimensionals. One on the top here. Bottom. And I am just going to center this. Right there. Isn't that pretty? I use my bone folder. And then I have a piece of Very Vanilla that I'm going to place on the inside. Oops. All right. And there we go. Simply thankful for all the good things. I like that. It's a beautiful fall card. Using my blends, using the stitched framelits, and also the Country Home stamp set. Cheers!